This is bad object. You can see it's broken. Sometimes they break. Now I want to do some welding. Welding I use this one called bad welder machine. This one is it welds this braid very nice and very good. So I have to put my machine on. Have some different settings. Like this one is a setting here. Have another setting here. Have another setting here. Another one. This is the meter to show you the voltage. Have another setting here. Same setting here. Another setting here. And this one also. This is the holder. This is where it's in weld. So let me show you how to weld this one. Before I start, I have to use some of the materials here. Like now, I have to use the square because you have to cut this one at a straight angle. Because when you come to hold here, this weld and this one needs to mesh at the right angle. You don't want to have a bed welding, something like that, you know. So it has to be at the right angle. So that we use the square and a meter. You have to have a meter because you have to know the circumference of your machine. Like the bandsaw machine we use, this is the type of this one. You can see how it is long. This one is its circumference is yeah 540 milli or 45. You can use 45 milli. So this one is also you can do like that. Now I want to show you how to weld this to be like this. Okay, okay to start I will use my marker here. I have my marker to mark. I have a grinder. I will show it work later because I have to smoothen after welding. You have to have a clean welding. Okay. Then I have my cutter price to cut. Okay, let's get started. okay. My machine, my bread now is at right angle. You can see full in contact. That's how it's needed. Have to be full in contact. So that when you wet, you have a good finish. Push that. Now, all the stuff that you have to leave this one. You put this one in. This one has to be uniform here. Remember, you have used our angle here to cut straight. So as you measure them, you have to make sure they are aligned in one line and in the right angle. Okay, as you can see now, there is no gap. As you can see here, there is no gap now. It is fully in a mesh. It's now full in mesh. Okay. Now we have to start stepping.
Your storage.
Huh?
Your storage is full.
Because when the tape started, so all setting, you have to know the width of this bread. So you have to use the meter and make sure you know the its measurement in mil. Right? This one it is 30 mil. 30 mil has a specification here. There is 20 mil bread, there is 35, there is 45 and 60. So our 30 mil bread, it will fall under category of 30. So whichever settings we set here, all the settings it will fall under this row of it will fall under this row of 40 or of 35. So because this one is 30, so it ranges between 35 and 30. So first setting is the scale. Scale here is step number 2. You have to set our scale to number 2. That is the scale. Second reading is this one is the potentiometer showing the current. Current, it is reading number 3. So you have to point our pointer to number 3. Then you have another one here. This is the pressure of heading. Pressure of heading. This is the pressure of heading. You see, this one here. So you set to number 2. Number 2, okay, that is the pressure of heading. Number 4, we have the annualizing current scale is this one. You see, this is annualizing current scale. So you have to set the number 3. Okay, yeah, you can see this one has moved further inside. So now it shows that it is ready to weld. Put. Our welding, our settings now are okay. Now it's just starting annually. First you start by after you confirm the machine is okay, you start by annealing. Annealing we are using here scale 2. Remember that one for hitting the current. You shall see that one. Let me show you like that. Now I'm annealing, giving current. That meaning I'm hitting here. After it's red hot, I'll just put press this welding. This is the one that's welded. So I have to wait until I see it's okay, all welded, so that I can press this one welding like that. Okay, you can see now our bread is welded very nice. This our machine weld that bread. Yes. Our annual scale, we were using number 2. Now we have to use number 1. When you use number 1, you hit until it is bluish in color. The reason is to for for the blade to attain it. This blade is flexible. So for this blade to attain its flexibility, this is, remember where we have welded, it is now very hard. So to soften it, you have to use scale one. You heat until it is bluish in color. Okay, so I will heat this blade using our scale one until it is bluish in color, so that the blade will attain its flexibility. You do that by using our scale annealing number one. Number two, it is for welding. Then number two, it is for heating until it is bluish in color, for the blade to attain its flexibility so that it will not break easily. After we finish there, now it's only use some grinder to polish those welding blisters. It's just a few minutes, like 10 minutes. I think now it's okay. You can see it is bluish in color. Now I have to remove my blade. Yeah, as you can see now it's red hot, a blue in color. Okay, now I have to use my grinder to polish.
Hey, hey.
Now we polish this over. Now that blade has acquired its flexibility, as you can see. It's a welded joint. It's not breaking. Okay. Yeah. That's how we do it. Now our job is done. Our blade is ready for work.